Welcome to Orderain. In this video, you'll watch a complete e-commerce store get built by AI, from a description to a live storefront in around 5 to 6 minutes. There are two ways to build your store, with AI or from a theme. In this tutorial, we're going with AI. Let's start. First, what are you selling? Pick your category. The AI shapes your whole store around it. We're building a skincare brand, so beauty and cosmetics it is. Now the fun part, describe your dream store. What you sell, who it's for, the vibe. You can type it, pick from the ready-made prompts, or just say it out loud with the mic. I've prepared ours in advance, so I'll paste it right in. You can even use any AI to help write yours. Just make sure it covers those 3 things. The more you share, the more this becomes your store. Colors, you can pick a palette yourself, or let AI match one to your vibe. We'll let AI decide. It already knows what Do Light feels like. Claim your free web address, dolight.orderain.com. Done. Pick your currency and review everything. Category, vision, colors, name, currency. All set. One step left, pick your plan. Every plan starts at $1 for the first month. Checkout is secure through Stripe. And the moment you're done, you land right back here. Paid, confirmed, and ready. Now Buddy takes over. It's planning your visuals, generating your brand imagery, setting up products and categories, writing your content and SEO, and building your pages. This takes around 5 to 6 minutes, not a template being copied. Your store built from your words, and there it is, Do Light, a complete store, pages, products, images, copy. From a single prompt to a real working e-commerce store, and everything you're looking at is editable. In the next video, I'll walk you through the builder. And Buddy, your AI teammate for everything from here. See you there.